welcome back to my channel. It is a maintenance vlog. Actually in Harlem right now, and I'm on my way to a lash appointment because I have a bunch of things that I need to do. Today is Thursday. Hey y'all, I am back from doing my lashes. My right eye is a little red because my eyes are just sensitive, but she did a good job as always. Like, honestly, I hate that she's in Harlem, but also I'm willing to travel here every single time because one thing about me, I'm not gonna get no tarantulas on my eyes. It's not happening, bro. So I think they're really pretty. I wish I could give y'all a better view of them. I really don't know how to do this, but they're really pretty. She made them a little fuller because she's not gonna be back until August. So hopefully I'm not out here with missing lashes because that is the ghetto, child. But I'm on my way back now, and I'm probably not gonna talk to y'all again until next week, which is when I have the rest of my stuff to do. So like hair, nails, feet, all of that. Like, honestly, the way I'm looking right now, Jesus, lay a hand, lay both your hands. Hey y'all, okay, so it is Sunday, June 27th, I think. Yeah, June 27th, and I have my natural hair out because I am about to go home, have my mom wash my hair, braid it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair into some mix so I could lay my wig down. Good morning, y'all. So I know I haven't like said anything in a few days, but today is Friday, July 2nd, and I am finally on my way to my other appointments. Yesterday I got a wax. I showed y'all a little clip of that. I obviously wasn't gonna put my coochie in the camera, but I got a wax yesterday, and today I'm on my way to the rest of my appointments. First up is Smile Direct Club because I wear aligners and I haven't been able to wear them in a super long time because they sent me the wrong tray size twice. So now I have to go over there and get a scan of my teeth. After that, I have to go to Target and Sephora to pick up 2 orders that I made last night. Just some hygienic products that I ran out of. And then after that, I am on my way to the nail salon for a pedicure and an eyebrow wax because, child, I've been down bad. And then around 3 o'clock, I'm going to get my nails done, which I'm really excited about because my nails look terrible right now, and so do my feet, if I'm being honest. But yeah, I'm excited to like look cute and feel pretty because right now I feel like a little boy. But yeah, that's what I'm up to today, and obviously I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm vlogging on my phone because I don't want to bring my camera. To be honest, I don't even know if it's charged. And I have this little bag with me, so I can't even, put it in anything. So I'm gonna be vlogging on my camera. I hope the quality is not terrible. It's an iPhone 12, so I doubt it, but we gonna see what is hitting for, and I'm gonna call y'all back. Bro, so I'm finally here at Smile Direct, and my appointment is at 10 o'clock. It's like 9:56 and they're not open, which is infuriating because honestly, last time I was here, my appointment was like at 3 and I didn't get seen till 4 o'clock. And I'm not about to take this, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's unacceptable. It's absolutely unacceptable. Got me out here talking to myself and people staring at me because they think I'm videoing them. Bro, I'm not talking to you. Like, pray for me. Bro, so I went to Starbucks to get a caramel ribbon frap, well, a caramel ribbon crunch, and the nigga walks out me ain't no damn crunch. Bitch, so they gave me a bunch of damn caramel. What is going on? They want me to shit. Like,
I'm on to something. You text my phone, told me you coming. You got a situation going on, I know it's something. You said you never loved me, I knew you fronted. Don't you go falling in love with somebody else the way you had me falling for you. You say fuck that nigga, still fuck that nigga, fuck him, then you wanna come through. You need a shoulder to cry on and good dick to ride on, and someone to handle your mood. Girl, I'm in tune on your body when we in the motion, and put in the vibe in the room. I made you very far from basic. I'm not always trying to save you. Good, we the same in conversations. Someone walking all up in your playlist. She want the benefits of that boyfriend shit without the boyfriend shit. Had a nigga scooping you up at your boyfriend crib. Cry you in and told a nigga how we friends. And we in them circles, you steady going back to somebody when he doesn't deserve. When I get to missing any of your body, then you start to hit me with all of them curves. Let's get to switching and you and your feelings, cause all of my bitches get you on your nerves. Taking flicks on Miami trips while you fucking with him when I showed you the world. It's driving me out of my mind. Your heart is hard for me to find. I steady falling for your vibe, had me falling for your crimes. I can't get you out of my head. All those freaking things up in my bed. Miss her, kiss her, love her. Wrong move, you dead. That girl is toxic. That girl is toxic. That girl gon' leave you jaded. That girl gon' have you feeling faded. That girl is toxic. That girl is toxic. That girl gon' leave you jaded. That girl gon' have you feeling faded.
We only fight when she wants some. She like rough sex for the makeup. I get in my head thinking I'm wrong, knowing damn well this girl on one. Louboutins trying to see my future. I be moving through the time like it's crucial. Another day I know you want it. Your crazy ass all up on me. Yeah, it's like that. She get in her feelings. She see my ass. She want the smoke when she fight back. Surprise.
okay, so I am back and I got everything done officially. So we've maintained. Okay, so I got my toes done, I got my eyebrows done, my eyelashes were done last week, and now my nails are done. So I'm really happy with them. I think they're really cute, and my nail tech was really nice. Like, we were talking about Jocelyn's Cabaret and Too Hot to Handle. She was real cool, like very easy to talk to, made me real comfortable. So I'll definitely be going back to her again. My nails are long. I am a baddie, but I don't know, like I usually don't get my nails this long, but I think sometimes if I need like a really big maintenance or like a pick-me-up, I do get my nails, like, feel me? But yeah, usually my nails aren't this long, but I really do like them. I think they're super, super pretty. Like, and I really like the whole like Frenchie thing that people are doing with like the different designs on the Frenchies. I think those are super dope. So I got these and they're so cute. Like, oh my god, they're so adorable. I love them a lot. But right now, honestly, I haven't eaten all day. I'm about to go try to eat something, and then I have to go pack my bag. My carry-on from Amazon came and it's much smaller than I anticipated, but it's Amazon. So I'm gonna pack and y'all gonna watch me do that. And also I have some maintenance stuff to do, so I have to like shave my legs and I have to exfoliate, all that. So we're gonna hop into the next segment. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to talk to you about one of my new favorite skincare products. This is a spin brush from the company Duvolle, so thank you Duvolle for sending me this. I really appreciate it. Y'all know that I love me a good self-care moment, baby. And part of that self-care is making sure that I take care of my skin, especially my body. So including a lot of like deep exfoliation. A problem I've been having recently is that using a exfoliating glove doesn't really help because my nails are so long and I have a lot of gems on them. So I like to use this Duvolle brush. It comes with 2 interchangeable facial brush heads, and it also comes with a large body cleansing and exfoliating brush, which you will see me using here. This works by removing dead skin cells from your knees, arms, elbows, and it's great before self-tanning and also to take care of back acne as well. What I really like about this is it feels like my body is getting cleaner as I exfoliate, but it's not super abrasive on my skin. I don't feel like I've broken down any barriers. So I really like this product and I enjoy using it so much. If you guys want to get one of these for yourself, make sure you use my code Liallure. That'll be across the screen for 70% off your spin brush. Come on, I'm getting the girls damn near free products for that. So make sure you go ahead and place your order today. Hey y'all, okay, oh god, Lord. Oh girl. So basically, I ordered a wig, a 99J wig, so like the red wig that I always wear. I just got it longer and I was hoping that it would come on time, but girl, it came today and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So good thing I already had my other red wig, so I washed that, I prepped it and everything, and I'm just about to put it on. I'm upset because I wanted to do a whole like unboxing and install video for y'all, but I guess that's just gonna have to wait for another time, and I really didn't want to go ahead and like rush the video.